Avoid buying Realme Narzo 70 Turbo without watching this video, because in this video I'll tell you about 4 serious problems that many users are facing on this phone, especially after installing a new software update. Also, I'll tell you the reasons why each of these problems are happening and what are the possible solutions, if any, that are available for these issues. Realme Narzo 70 Turbo is advertised as a budget gaming beast because of its Dimensity 7300 NRG CPU, its LPDDR4X RAM along with UFS 3.1 internal storage. However, you'll understand the truth about this phone after watching this video. The problems that I'm going to talk about in this video are happening because of both hardware as well as because of software components of this phone. The first problem that I'm going to talk about is the selfie camera issue on Realme Narzo 70 Turbo. As you can clearly see in the video here, whenever the selfie camera is chosen, an inverted image from the back camera keeps on coming. Many of the users who installed a new software update on Realme Narzo 70 Turbo is facing this issue now. Some users even went to the service center asking for a solution, but all the service center people could do was confirm that this was a problem because of the software update. Most probably this problem will be fixed in a new software update that's coming soon. The second issue that I'm going to talk about is the lagging problem on this phone, especially on the 6 and 8GB RAM areas. As you can see in the video here, even though the brightness slider is changed, the brightness is changing after a delay. This delay or lag is present in almost all functions of the phone, which makes me wonder why Realme is projecting this phone as a great gaming phone in the budget range. The third problem that I'm going to talk about is the hanging issue. Even though this phone comes with good specifications like Dimensity 7300 processor, it seems like there is something in the hardware or software bottlenecking the CPU which makes the phone to hang up like this. When this issue happens, the only solution is to use the volume button and power button to force shut down the phone. The fourth issue that I'm going to talk about is the display line issue or green line issue that a user experienced on this phone. According to me, this is not a software issue and it is purely happening because of some hardware defect on the phone. In addition to these 4 problems, almost all users are facing heating and battery drain issue on the phone. Considering all these, I'll never recommend anyone to buy this phone in this price range. According to me, CMO Phone 1 is a better choice in the 15,000 rupees price range. If you have anything else to ask me, please mention them in the comment section and I will help you out as I can. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.